love us, some rock us, some sip my liquor. Move, you, wet, keep up, girl, jazz, drop, quicker. Make a dance couple time, girl, I take my picture. I bet me fuck up in ya. Jiff.
Hey guys, welcome to another video. So today the girl decides that she's going to take some bomb-ass photos for her birthday. So I did a little DIY home, little something, you know how we roll. So I went and I got all my things that I need. I got my balloons, happy birthday balloons and everything. So let's get into it. As you can see, the girl that I took them was like, I check out her teeth the other day. I check out one of my teeth, them wisdom teeth them the other day. So me could never blow them. Like me, I blow the balloon them and me I tell her like I can't just feel the pain, and it's been so freaking long. So I had to I have to let my daughter blow them. So the little girl blew up all of them for me. Look at me and then little girl oxygen in her. Anyways, when I started, I not even know what I did. I didn't even know what was the plan. I just knew say, I go broke the balloon them, tie them up on something, tie them on the string something, and put them there. No idea what it might look like, but just say, it's a go work. And then the color them, like, well, I don't even know. I just get these balloons. I said them color look nice together. I just get them. And as you can see, like my daughter, she enjoyed like just being there doing this little thing with me, She just loved them little things here, like anything at all. She was always ready for just, just stay there and just help. So as you can see, she blew them. She blew them, I tie them. I put them on the something for her. I set the straw for her. And she blew up all of the balloon them, all of the balloon them. Anyways, I stay tuned and watch as I go ahead and just do my little thing.
I'm a diamond, not a piece of glass. Break my heart, you can kiss my ass. Walk away like I never knew ya. Got a new man, what's it to ya? I'm a diamond, I'm a diamond, I'm a diamond, not a piece of glass. Walk away like I never knew ya. Got a new man, what's it to ya?
I don't even know if you can handle it. All I know is you can handle it. I don't even know if you can handle it. I don't even know if you can handle it. All I know is you can handle it. I don't even know if you can handle it. I don't even know if you can handle it. All I know is you can handle it. I don't even know if you can handle it. I don't even know if you can handle it. All I know is you can handle it. I don't even know if you can handle it.
I'm a diamond, not a piece of glass. Break my heart, you can kiss my ass. Walk away like I never knew ya. Got a new man, what's it to ya? I'm a diamond, I'm a diamond, I'm a diamond, not a piece of glass. Walk away like I never knew ya. Got a new man, what's it to ya?
I don't even know if you can handle it. All I know is you can handle it. I don't even know if you can handle it. I don't even know if you can handle it. All I know is you can handle it. I don't even know if you can handle it. I'm going crazy, I don't know what I should do. I keep dipping, but you stick to me like glue. Try to listen. talk to you for hours. I wanna give you your flowers and some champagne showers, all the shrimp and lobster towers. But it's me that gets devoured. Ooh, when you do what you do, I'm empowered. You give me a superpower. Together the world could be ours. You sit me up on the counter, instantly it's thunder showers, storming for a couple hours. When we finish, take a shower. I could do this for hours and hours and hours. I could do this for hours and hours and hours. I could do this for hours and hours.
I've seen you in a movie, I heard you in a song. Now I know that this will never go wrong. Like you already knew me, that's why we get along. Yeah, I know that this will never go. Ooh, it's cinematic in the way we connected. Girl, you're so familiar, I never expected you to be right in my arms. And my favorite part, how you talk in the dark. Oh God, there's something about the sound of you, it's stuck in my head. I'm hopelessly romanticizing all that you said. Even though I see that I'm in too deep, I still gotta let you know that I never wanted anyone more. Falling forwards onto the floor, feels like I felt this feeling before. I've seen you in a movie, I heard you in a song. Now I know that this will never go wrong. Like you already knew me, that's why we get along. Yeah, I know that this will never go wrong. I've seen you in a movie, I heard you in a song. Now I know that this will never go wrong. Like you already knew me, that's why we get along. Yeah, I know that this will never go. Ooh, it's cinematic in the way we connected. Girl, you're so familiar, I never expected you to be right in my arms. And my favorite part, how you talk in the dark. Oh God, there's something about the sound of you, it's stuck in my head. I'm hopelessly romanticizing all that you said. Even though I see that I'm in too deep, I still gotta let you know that I never wanted anyone more. Falling forwards onto the floor, feels like I felt this feeling before. I've seen you in a movie, I heard you in a song.